Steve Goddard getting it together this afternoon. I can get it together and get out of here. Get away to Florida. Maybe you'd like to, too. Just, take some folks and fly away. Well, you could win yourself a trip to Florida. Matter of fact, it's a 4-day vacation for 4 people to Busch Gardens in Tampa. All you have to do is stop by the camera department of any Smitty store, maybe while you're looking around the Kodak cameras or whatever, and register. Don't have to buy anything at all. You've got until Sunday to register. If your name is drawn, you can take that trip anytime during 82 and fly there during Eastern Airlines, which serves more Florida cities than any other airline. Just basically have yourself a good time. Just, no expense or little expense, right?
Spare battery, small electronics.
Beautiful morning all around the good Sarasota, of course. Mostly clear skies, 75 degrees last year morning. Thanks for joining us this morning. Do appreciate it. I will be on the way shortly.
I don't know this song.
Nice. Could have brought my laptop. Done some work. Salad. Hi guys. Happy birthday, Mom.
I am a little. That's what I was talking about. I thought it was in the bushes.
Nice. Wow, what a nice pool. With my brother Casey and Nick. Paradise. Going on a quick run this morning, hoping to see some cool beach stuff. I don't know. Should I go right or left? Nothing is more motivating than running to a beach. The energy that is the beach is just incredible. Like, you just feel so much better at the beach. The energy is crazy. It's like a kid and a mom. Cute. Birthday shirt.
Well, she ordered it yesterday. It's supposed to be there on Monday. Holy crap.
Little rainbow. Going on a little nightly walk. Cause it's beautiful outside. Why not go for a little walk? Like the lighting, gorgeous.
Shells. Ocean. Shells. Seashells.
4 letters. 4 words? No. 4 syllables.
Quick.
House. Tent. Point. Triangle. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. America.
I am going on a walk to the beach because it is Sunday, is my rest day. So just taking a little walk in the morning before anyone's up and just kind of taking in the beautiful beach in the morning. Even though I don't get to watch the sunrise, it's on the other side of the island, I still want to catch the early morning beach sessions because they're just so nice, you know? You just get to relax, be with yourself, think about things. Got a little music playing down low though so I can hear the ocean, you know? Fun stuff. Also my lens is foggy because it's so humid here in Florida. Just saw a stingray. being at the beach, because like it just makes you appreciate life just like a tad bit more, just a tad bit more. And you realize, you know, some of these things that you get every now and then are really special and you have to cherish it. But then it also makes you realize the stuff that you have, you also have to appreciate, because that is also special. And, you know, you can't take it for granted. So I think, you know, the beach helps the understanding and the appreciation of everything. And I was just seeing this kid was doing the same thing I was doing. I was, you know, saving the little hermit crabs, and he came over to me where I was, and he was picking up all the hermit crabs and throwing them back in the ocean. It's really cool to see that, like, the kids still care, you know what I mean? Like, the world isn't going to crap anymore. But yeah, I thought that was really interesting, and that made me smile. So the beach has a specific energy in the morning, and it's really beautiful. That's so funny.
Is there maple? Get in the middle. How many people did you say?
Too much.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Why?
Here yet, but it's better than it could have been.
I think that's a good rule. Camera eats first.
All that bar.
Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Now take a picture.
But good thing I'm not gonna tell you my tricks. You can do what you want. Well, who's having practice shots?
Oh no, no.
I didn't play this in college.
No, I didn't either.
Oh.
I never played it.
Okay, is it possible to do a everything bagel with eggs and avocado?
Yeah.
I have a dairy allergy also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could I also have a vanilla latte with oat milk?
My uncle was a police officer, and probably
Slow
about
motion bite.
40 years ago.
You have any like crazy stories?
I brought this guy one time. I picked him up early in the morning. Something just seemed off. He was at his mother's house, and he was an older guy, like 10 miles out of town. And I kept getting phone calls from this other guy, and he's like, "I'm this guy's brother. Give me a call. Give me a call. You got to get a hold of you, you know." I call him up, and he's like, "That's my brother. He's not supposed to be alone. He's got mental issues, and he can't travel alone." And the guy was going to California.
Thank you. Awesome. Have a great day. Nice. So I am in the baggage claim. It is currently 3:22. Haley doesn't get off of work till 3:45, so I'm just sitting here waiting. Just chilling. There's some birds in here. I'll tell you that much. They're flying around. The flight was pretty good. There was one point in the flight where the flight, it was like we were hitting clouds and it was like boom, and it dropped, and then like my camera floated up from my lap. It's pretty scary. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. And then it had that like floating feeling in your stomach. I'm excited to be back in Philly. I'm excited to be home, and I'm excited to get working on some stuff that I got planned, so I'm excited.
I miss you. How was it?
Good. It is good to be back.